Hello, everyone. Welcome to what's the topic we are talking about? Spirit world. I know that much, but I don't know much.
Entity.
Entities. Yes. So okay. So it's so amazing when we talk the word entities. So I want to know, like, I have a lot of stories to tell you about entities, but is there anyone who would like to share their story about entities? Because normally in most of the call I'll end up the one who's talking all the time, so let's reverse here. Who would like to share their fears or their stories or their experience with entities?
Suruchi, I can go.
Yeah.
So hi guys, I'm Mansi. Sorry, I'm not putting my video on because of little internet issue. So I think this is one of the topic which I have dared the most. Like I would never go into that topic and I will never read anything. But for the first time when I really ordered 14 books of Access and I could complete only one book, that was Talk to Entity. I was really curious like what made me go there. So basically it opened a lot for me and I'll go through one of my experience today. So basically, I connected to one of my client who was in abroad, and after a lot of sessions, I was going with him. I was still wondering what made him choose and what really clicked for us to choose this session. And in one of the session, I got to know that it was his dying wife who really connected to us, and she wanted to convey something. And once we conveyed the message to that client, the client was at peace and he could receive so much more from the session, which was not happening through any of the tool which we are using through coaching. And that really stirred something in my world as well. Like how many times it's just a message, like you really don't have to do anything, just a simple message they are trying to convey around something, and we are putting all our tools and we are trying to fix something and we are landing nowhere, like literally landing nowhere. So that opens something that there are so many energies which are ready to speak to us, something to us, share something to us, and how much we are resisting just because we can't see them, or at time we can't perceive them. So we have our own judgments. So I think that is one of the gift. Like I'm so thankful to Gary and thank you Suruchi for taking this topic and speaking more to the world, because this call is going to be like somebody might be hearing today and maybe somebody later, but it's like a gift where you're inviting people to receive from them and know more about it. So I'm really grateful and thank you for creating this.
Thank you so much, Mansi, and thank you so much for sharing. It's so beautiful how you said, because if I see, because I also do auto writing and a lot of time,
Yeah.
so many times I have witnessed. It's like okay. So I'll speak English as well as Hindi. There are people who want to, so I will switch both the language.
Yeah.
So there's so many times where I had witnessed in my session where people, that unfinished thing, they just wanted to hang around to give that message, or it was just maybe a hug. Like I remember last time on Women's Day, it was so hilarious. A college friend of mine connected looking at the post and she said, I want to connect with my mom. And we did the session over the phone. And it was so beautiful the way, and then both the parties were crying. And for me that was like, it was a priceless moment because I could hear my friend crying and I can see me like like rolling down tears. Okay, because, and it was so beautiful. But if I would have like maybe 10 years back, if somebody would have, like how, like I was the one who used to go to all the fortune teller to tell me my fortune, please मेरा हाथ देख के मेरा बताओ क्या होगा मेरा भविष्य का. I will go anybody, whoever will say. Again, anybody would have predicted that, I would have said liar. Do you think entity and me? Manab, no ways. I'm telling you, Mansi, you had resistance. I was one who will maybe shit pee in my pants if I see entities. So yeah, it's like it was so.
That's so true, Suruchi. Like,
Yeah, I mean, it's the fear of entity was so high. Like we hear so many stories, हम इतने किस्से कहानियां सुनते हैं. It's like कभी-कभी वो entity जो है जिसके कारण, जिसका खाली नाम entity के नाम से जो हम जितना डरते हैं, कि हम उनसे कुछ रिसीव ही नहीं कर सकते. It's like a barrier, automatically barriers है. There's a defense mechanism. So it's just that defense mechanism के कारण इतने सारे entities हैं जो आपको who wants to contribute to you, who would like to gift you something. But because हमारे जो points of views है, जो हमारे barriers है, we can't even receive them, and that's the reason they have to put pressure. So how many of you have felt invaded in your space by entities, like where they invade your space, where they break your things, where they make your presence known to you, where you feel you're seeing something, where you feel your electronics is getting broken, where something in the house is getting Sunaina,
mine non-stop happening. Before this call also, I was walking across the drawing room with a bowl of my dog's food, and there I went, bumped suddenly into the sofa, and all of it fell on the sofa. I was like, hello, I know you exist, I'm here, I like communicating with you, but can we do this with ease?
Okay. Anybody else encountered something similar or something like this? प्लीज अनम्यूट. आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हो अगर आपने कभी एनकाउंटर किया ऐसा एंटिटी प्रेजेंस अपने स्पेस पे जहां पे आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पे. आई थिंक somebody has to unmute it because I'm hearing my own voice.
Yeah, so Ruchi, I used to see shadows passing by me. Like I just had that perception of somebody passed, just a shadow passed, like that.
Yes. Guys, can you request जो नहीं बोल रहा हो अपने आप को म्यूट कर ले. Okay, my friends, I acknowledge you. I acknowledge you. Okay, let's expand out.
See, as soon as I acknowledge an entity, this happens on every call.
See, this is so amazing. Can you see how many entities are there? Like, they are laughing. So they're not scary. I'm not clearing them. Just letting you experience them. Hello. Is it better? I have asked everybody to mute, and I guess everybody is muted. Is anybody here who's not muted? No. I guess everybody is muted.
Yes.
Wait.
So Ruchi, if you could make me the host, I could.
Yeah, I will do that. I muted somebody else and then I think that's gone. Wait.
Thank you. Thank you.
I will make you co-host also. Wait, just give me a minute.
Now it's superb. It's clear.
Yeah.
There's no echo.
But the best thing is if you realize, see, this is how, when I was talking about, did you experience any communication from the entities? This is another way where entities communicate to them when we don't acknowledge them. So see, the whole thing is because of a barriers, what we spoke about, because we have barriers about entities, because whatever we have heard about entities, right? Those barriers, we can't receive them. They can't communicate. So it's like when your child can't get your attention because you're so busy, what does he do? Tantrums. What does he do? He break things up. What will he do? He will push. He will create a fight. He will do everything so that you can give him the attention. So goes with entities, being without any body, formless, going here and there. And the only reach he has is electronics, which is easy for him. Like I see so many times for them, if I'm not paying attention, even I'm a talk to the entity facilitator, even I do my business hours, but there are days where I'm like, I have nothing to do with you guys. And that day, my washing machine will break, my TV got spoiled today. So those are their hello sign, ki boss, you can't take off. Hello, you're not listening to us. We have so many things to tell you. So some people may feel, oh my God, it's so scary. It is not scary. It is just needing your time and attention. It is not scary at all. It is our point of view which makes it scary. It's like if you have a point of view that they are the scary monsters which we have seen in TV, or I think सबसे ज़्यादा the one thing which everybody feels is that you'll be possessed by entities or they will hold you. My fear was that. When I grew up hearing all the entity story from my servant. It was very hilarious because when I used to come back from school at 4, and at the time he used to have his meal. So both of us used to take our food. I used to sit, he used to sit same place. And then I used to tell his name was Kishan. So I used to say, Acha Kishan, ab batao apna gaon ka kahani, tell me a village story, kya hota hai? Then he's like, you know, bhai, wahan pe na chudaile hoti thi, this, that, this witches and this. So all the stories, I was so excited listening to the whole story. So daytime fine, but when the evening used to come, I used to tell my mom, I need to go to the washroom. Can you please come with me? So it was so hilarious because the stories somewhere subconsciously you connect with those stories. You know there's some truth to it. But because what the fear that everybody has around entity, you pick that up. And I had seen so many people beaten. So I never wanted to be beaten. It's like वो जूते लेके किसी की पिटाई हो रही है and they're beating. Why? Because they're like, this person is possessed. So we are taking out the entity. I said, oh my God, if they're possessed, then I'll be beaten. So there's so many things. Like, I think if I start opening up the Pandara box, it'll be so weird because the building we used to stay in, he used to be like, रात को 12 बजे आती है, knock करती है, and our feet are opposite. Like it's ulta. I was like, seriously?
So Ruchi, can I ask you a question here? As you just told about the building, so can the entities or the ghost or the witches, whatever we name it, or the chudail in Hindi, can they actually possess our spaces or our money or our
Yes.
relationships?
Yes, they can.
So how do we get over it if they are possessing, they are in our space or they are affecting our business or money flows? How do we communicate with them?
Yeah, because see, the thing in the talk to the entity tools, they teach you how to clear. The basic thing, how to first clear. So if you know if there's a dust, you can clear. And sometimes you need to communicate them to clear. And why they can do it is because maybe not this lifetime, or maybe this lifetime, or maybe other lifetime. You have some oaths, vows, and commitment with them. Like a lot of time, if you see relationship not working well, because you already have a relationship with an entity. So will an entity will allow you to have another relationship? No. तुम्हारे पास, you have a boyfriend, will your boyfriend allow you to make another boyfriend? So that is an unseen boyfriend or girlfriend you have. And if that entity think it's their property, they will not allow you to sell the property because it's their property. They don't want that property to go away. So a lot of times these are the little hindrance, but it's like they have amnesia. They think this is the only job they have. So once when we clear them and they get to know that they had multiple lifetimes and they can still take a body and come back. So they just disappear. And sometimes they have lots to say to you. And because of whatever you had a fight, you don't want to connect, or you are fearful. And sometimes you also have a point of view, why trouble somebody who's already gone? Right? So it can be anything for each one of us. And that's the reason they want that attention. And if they know that you can see them or you can hear them, that's the reason they're in your space more than somebody else.
Could you just even, wow, and could you just even talk about this, that in this situation where people are fearing so much of money, How
You
could
know,
we? How
you know,
could
you can
we?
employ entity. You can employ entity to contribute to you. I do every day.
Is
Sorry.
it so easy? Is it so easy? And can a normal person who has not done anything like bars or foundation, can we
Okay,
have
tell
that
me one thing.
muscle?
You have not done any cooking classes. Okay, I'm giving a very simple, basic example. You've never done any cooking classes, but all of a sudden you try, oh, I want to make lasagna or I want to make Italian, and you Google it and you make it and it comes through. So it's a mindset, it's a point of view. See, the thing, there's certain things when we say foundation, you only need to do bars and do foundation. Why? Because foundation, we are going much deeper. To start with that foundation, you want to at least open up what is energy, you have to open up your receiving. That's the reason bars is mentioned. But these specialty, small intro classes, like short classes, specialty classes with entities, these are like one starter learning, not the whole meal itself. But in that, you will and it can. It's the whole idea is we work around what is your point of view, which doesn't allow you first to receive. We let it go and then you start receiving. And see, the thing is, if you fear entity, the first encounter will be those entities who will come to scare you. Because that is your point of view that we have spoken in bars. Whatever is your point of view creates your reality. So it's like with friends also. Like how many times you have a point of view that I get only cheats. So when you're doing business, when you're
So
doing,
you mean over here that we can have it's like there's a variety of entities and whom we can invite and be with and whom we can, it's like ask them to go.
okay, Shruti, is the same thing now. The world is, we have like some billion population. Are you friends with everybody?
No.
Do you choose your friend?
Yeah.
Do you choose with whom you would like to work with?
Yes.
So is with entities. सपने, दुलारी सिंह सपने में डर जाते हैं. वेरी गुड दुलारी. सपने में जब डरते हो क्यों? क्योंकि दिन के टाइम पर्दे में रहते हो, सपने में पर्दे हटा देते हो तो भूत आ जाते हैं. So Dulari, it's because, see, the thing is we face lot of encounters. हम बहुत सारे encounters रात को face करते हैं. क्यों? Because that's the time where our barriers are very low. That's the time we are not thinking of, we are very relaxed, right? So they can reach out to you easy. But because daytime में भी है, it's a myth कि entities only come in the night. क्योंकि वो विच है, चुड़ैल है, वो वैम्पायर है, इसलिए रात को निकलते हैं. It's just a point of view. They are present in daytime. They are just present right now in your surface also. Maybe before I end, I will, if you're okay, I will allow them to come and just touch you and tickle you. If that's okay. So I'm just saying they are present all the time. It's just that in the night, we are not non-stop thinking, we are very relaxed, and that's the reason we can feel their presence more. Some people can see, some people can smell, some people can feel. It will be a very different experience for each one of us, and it is not going to be the same. So when I started, I felt so blessed. Good, mujhe dikhte to nahi hai, because if I will see, I'll have a heart attack. That was my point of view. So because of this fear, what we do is we stop receiving from beings of light also, whom we call angels, whom we call nature spirits, like different names we call out. But they are also an entity, right? They also don't have a body or a shape like us. So we, because we don't want to receive anything or do anything with the entity, so the beings of light who is there to reach out to you, we stop receiving from them also because of a point of view. It's like, I'm not going to eat any fruit. Then you don't eat your favorite fruit, mango also it is, because it comes under the category of fruit. It's like categorizing something. Because somewhere we feel, so Naina says, I have had experience of entity touch and whisper a couple of times. Yes. So it can be friendly entity. It can be a stupid entity. It can be beings of light. It can be your teammates. It can be anyone. There's so much variety, just like people. How many professions we have? Somebody's a doctor, somebody's a lawyer. So in entity also, it ranges from different to different. So the whole idea is just your one point of view is like, I'm not never going to receive from entity. Entity is not my cup of tea. That one point of view stop you receiving from the entire spirit kingdom who would like to contribute to you. And spirit kingdom just doesn't comprises of one simple entity. So okay, so it's I'll tell you, I'll share what it was like. When I grew up, I heard so many magical stories, like something happened, some magic happened for this person and with that person. But my point of view was, without knowing, unknowing, if I see them, if I receive, I'll have a heart attack. Okay, so I used to say, I want to see you, and at the same time, in that moment, I think, no, I don't want to see you. I don't know if I'll have a heart attack. So I used to say, God, I want to see you. Like, how many times we compare? Ki, yaar, what have I done? Why I'm not receiving magic the way somebody else is encountering? Okay, so I was very bad. I used to compare everything. Okay, that was my addiction to life, to compare, to see where I fit into. So with the same thing, magic, I was comparing all the time. I'm like, but I realized of late now, I said I could not encounter the magic because deep down my point of view was like, I will have a heart attack if I receive. So my receiving was shut, even though I was saying I would like to receive. My receiving was shut from something which is entity, something which I can't see from my naked eye, something which I cannot understand. So these were my point of view, which didn't allow magic to show up the way I was asking, or it was showing up in people's world whom I knew. Like all of a sudden somebody saw, like how many times you have heard कि बाबा जी ने दर्शन दे दिया या भगवान जी ने दर्शन दे दिया, या whatever it was, right? Maybe in the dreams. But I think, why don't I get any such dreams? Why don't I encounter any such magic? But because the deep down, my point of view was, if I see them, I will die. And they didn't wanted me to die. So they said, okay, we stand back. So how much of the contribution the spirit world would like to contribute to you in very different ways, like how it's contributing to me may be very different from how it will contribute to Krishna, will contribute to Parul, Shruti, Indra, anybody, each one of us.
So Ruchi, over here, this thing has just been a game changer. Like in that moment we are asking for contribution, and in that moment we are saying no.
Yeah.
And that is why the magic does not happen. Oh, wow.
It is the moment we say, but we get scared because there is a distractor implant of fear that is so inbuilt in us that takes over, and you're like, are you crazy? No. I said it, but then I said, no, okay, I said it, cancel. How many times? Like I've said, oh, no, cancel. I don't want to go there. But what is the reason? The reason is herd mentality. If we are, how many people are 35? If you can raise hand, how many of you were scared of entity or are scared of entities? I can just take a poll right now. I can only see 2 hands, or is there more hands? 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. Maybe 5 doesn't want to tell, whatever it is. So I'm saying, like when we 6, see, 7, see, when we're talking about who does this belong to, when we pick up emotion, how much are we picking on people's fear and thinking it is ours? Because this is one area where 99% people are fear. And I was born with a mother who was fearless, and she used to say, you my daughter and you're scared. I said, अरे बेटी होने से क्या मतलब होता है? डर तो डर होता है. I'm scared, I can't tell it. Right? She was like, I was like, I will call you. So I used to call her everywhere in the night. I think, and it's weird. I'm like embarrassed. I was 24, pregnant with my firstborn, where I used to scream to my husband and says, hey, can you keep talking to me while I'm in the washroom? Why? Because somewhere the mindset is, when you're talking to somebody, somebody cannot come and take you or possess you. How many times we say, oh, I'm feeling very scared. Come, you sleep with me. Can the other person protect you, or we'll both go together? What is the point of view we have here? I'm saying it's like you're so scared that but you feel stupid logic. If somebody is there, then they will not. But if it's a scary monster, it will scare the other person also, na? It's as simple as this. But my husband's like, you're not watching anything. I said, no, it's very fun. So I used to watch serials, and then 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the night, I said, can you please wake up? He's like, what? I said, I need to go to the washroom. Please come with me. So I'm telling you my journey, my experience. This was one area where I will do anything for you just to escape these entities. Just to escape these entities. And never in my wildest dream, I would think that I will be facilitating or channeling or doing anything. Now I channel them, I facilitate them, I do so many things with entities. And they're friends. They're just like you and me. They are actually like you and me. We have temperaments. Some people are sweet, some people are soft, some people are temperamental. So are they. हमें क्या क्वेश्चन करना चाहिए, मुझे फिर रात को नींद भी नहीं आती. तो दुलारी, आपने एंटिटी को जहां पे भी अपने से बड़ा मान रखा है, आपने जहां से भी एंटिटी को सोच रखा है कि एंटिटी आपके घर पे कोई, अच्छा दुलारी एक चीज बताओ, आपके घर में कोई घुस सकता है अगर आप नहीं चाहो तो?
नहीं.
अरे मुस्टंडा आ गया तो?
हमें पता है कि हमें नहीं डरना चाहिए, पर
नहीं पता है,
पता नहीं क्यों डर जाते हैं.
तो वही वाली मैं बात बोल रही हूँ, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं एंटिटी के नाम से, और ये डर आपका है, ट्रुथ, ये डर आपका है.
आई थिंक
ये आपको डराया गया था भूतों से.
या
है ना, यही होता है, बिकॉज हमें डराया जाता है और हम उसको मान लेते हैं. सो जब आप वही वाला बात,
ये डर इसलिए लग रहा है क्योंकि ये सब मैंने फेस किया है, इसलिए मुझे एंटिटी से डर लगता है.
हाँ आपने फेस किया, तो आपने ये नहीं पूछा आपकी कितनी कैपेसिटी है एंटिटीज के साथ कि आपने इसको फेस किया?
नहीं.
तो अगर क्या ये डर नहीं हो के कैपेसिटी हो, तो जो आप यूज नहीं करना चाहते और उनको पता है कि आपकी कैपेसिटी है इसलिए वो आपको टॉर्चर करते हैं. तो एक सिंपल सा एक्सरसाइज है, बैरियर्स डाउन करके आप उसको रिसीव करोगे कि वो क्या बोलना चाहता है. और अगर आपको डर लगता है और आपको कैपेसिटी है, तो आप किसी से भी, ये नहीं कि ये करना, बट क्यों नहीं वो आप अपने आप को एजुकेट करोगे जिस चीज से डर लगता है. लाइक कितने लोगों को पैसे से डर लगता है कि पैसे को कैसे मेंटेन करते हैं, पैसे को कैसे संभालते हैं, हाउ टू मैनेज मनी, हाउ टू ग्रो मनी. And that's the reason we doesn't allow money to come, because we are scared, how will I take care of money? And we keep saying, I want money, I want money, I want money. But how much money do you really want? No, not much, because you will only have what you can control. तो जिस चीज से डर लगता है कहीं पे भी, if you're scared of something, ask what capacity do I have with this? Because you have a capacity with that, and that's the reason you're scared of it. And is this fear mine or is this fear someone else? क्या ये डर मेरा है या क्या ये डर किसी और का है? I never feel any kind of entity near me, but after my father's death, yeah, money is also fear. So, Purva, after your father's death, do you feel his presence?
Yeah, sometimes.
So what if it's, okay, would you have been scared if he was in person?
No, I never feel scared, or to be very frank with you, I never felt any entity or something like that into anywhere. मतलब मुझे कभी लगा ही नहीं कि कोई एंटिटी जैसा कुछ होता भी है. लोग बोलते थे कि यहाँ भूत है, वो है, ये है. I never felt that way. But and I always feel कि जहाँ पे एंटिटी है वो कुछ तो है जिसको हम समझ नहीं पाते हैं शायद, लेकिन मैं कभी उसका वो भी नहीं करती कि हाँ नहीं होता है. I never challenge them. I never feel कि ऐसा कुछ है भी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं पता.
So,
Then after before 3-4 months my father died. Then after sometimes I feel कि वो कहीं मतलब कुछ ऐसा है जो हमारे घर में मतलब रहता है.
हाँ, so maybe see a lot of time when you said like typically what happens, fathers, parents, grandparents, right? They're just around. And how you know? Because you can sense them. You can't see them, but you know there's something, like there's no proof, but you can sense their presence. Okay, you can sense them. And they typically come because they just come to maybe some to watch over you, because they miss you. So how, like a lot of times if you have kids, how many times a lot of people just open the door in the night just to see their kids, how they're sleeping, they close and come back, right? They've got no business to do. They just like to watch them once. Okay, I hope they're safe. So similarly, some spirits, relative, they come because they want to just watch you. Sometimes they come to give you a strength, because they know that something is going to come your way, and they're just coming here to give you that extra strength that you can cross over that hurdle. Sometimes they come to communicate to you because there's so many things left that they wanted to communicate. And sometimes you may be remembering them without even knowing. So they just come up because you remembered them. So see, that's what I'm saying. So for each one of us, it's so different, but it can be any one of the scenario. The idea is, it's a very beautiful book. I don't know, have you guys read Beings of Light?
No.
Okay, just one passage I want to read. It's so beautiful. Wait, let me just open.
Okay.
Where did I go? Wait. But meanwhile, anybody, any question that you have?
Here I have one clarity I'm looking forward. I listen people often saying that such kind of entity is to be seen or is to be felt when you are not जिनके कुंडली में मतलब वो मानव नहीं होते हैं, ऐसा कुछ समझ नहीं आता है मुझे वो सब ज्यादा.
See, the thing is, हम लोग हर लोग ना अपनी दुकान बेचते हैं, ठीक है? तो अगर कुंडली वाले तुमको ये नहीं बेचेंगे कि तुम्हारी कुंडली में क्या दोष है, तो तुम उनसे प्रोडक्ट नहीं करोगे, तुम उनसे हवन नहीं कराओगे. No offense, we all sell. Okay, we all are good at selling whatever we do. But मैंने एक चीज ये लर्न किया with this talk to the entity, जिससे पहले, because I had कि to be very honest, हमने इतना हवा बना रखा है ना, उतना बड़ा हवा है नहीं.
Exactly. उस दिन भी मतलब कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ है कि I used to see कि my father is just around, मतलब मैंने उनका presence feel किया है, but he never even we are doing Silva, तो मुझे पता है कि हम level में जाते हैं, उनसे बात कर सकते हैं. Then I used to go to Silva level and ask him कि कुछ कहना है आपको, आप यहाँ पे क्यों हो? But now I always seen him smiling. That's it. So
Hello?
Yeah.
Sorry, I think I got disconnected when you said Silva level. I got disconnected there.
Yeah, means we have capability to, in Silva it is been taught that how to talk to the person like we are talking right now, and I used to apply that technique, and then also he is used to smile. I mean, so I never found him saying something or something like that. He's not speaking.
He didn't wanted to say anything.
Yeah, I think so.
So I'm just saying, go with your knowing. What if he didn't wanted to say anything? At least fine. See, you went to Silva, you did. But so many of us, we know that even if it's our parents, we don't want to gut because we are so scared of entity, the word entity here. So it is just that. And somebody, Krishna Leela said, does the presence gives us physical symptoms, tightening? Yes, it gives you a physical symptoms. So see, we have 5 senses depending upon which sensory you are. Your sensory is heightened. Like some people see some, like I get symptoms in my body. I don't see as such, but I know people who see. So they will sit at you and they'll say, "Tumko pata hai tumhare piche 3 hai." I said, "Oh, very good. You don't need to tell me. Let me sit in peace." So channeling higher soul is an entity. Yes, Jai Krishna ji, yes, channeling higher soul is also an entity, because entity, it's like everything is an entity. We are also an entity with a body, with a name. So channeling higher souls is an entity, like God. हम माता को बुलाते हैं, we channel Sai Baba, we channel Durga, Lakshmi. So all those are entities also. We channel them, but those are also entities. So here we are talking about, because of our points of views, we refuse to receive. How many of you receive from people easily? Or you have a point of view? So similarly, entity is one bracket. When we say, oh, I got nothing to do with entity, I have nothing to take with entity, I am fine, I don't want to get into that area. You stop receiving from angels, you stop receiving from beings of light, you stop receiving from entities who are there to contribute to your business, to your money flow, to whatever. You stop receiving from your own teammates who are there with you. So here I'm talking about,
Yes.
huh? So it is all about receiving. When we are working, see, with entities, 80% we clear, we communicate, rest is receiving. It just opens our receiving, it's open awareness to another level. Like I know people who've done communication with entity, and they say their communication with people have become better. So sometimes there are entity presence in your property. When you do it, you can clear them, so at least you can sell them. Like how Shruti was asking, does entity there on property? Yes, they are on property also. So when you clear them, communicate, so then at least you are living with a different energy. Just like people, not necessarily all entities are good. But when you have a tool, you can deal with anybody and you become the most prominent entity. So that has shifted. Like when I got the tool, I don't know where did my fear, after my first talk to the entity class, I really don't know, I had no fear. And I was amazed. Fear of 38 years vanished. And it's like, I had fear, but still I was doing auto writing before that. I had fear, still I was doing theta healing, but in my way, with colors mein aana, with my protection shield, so that no, nothing, there's a gap. But only after talk to the entity, I have no protection shield, because I feel I'm the most prominent entity, where entities take my space, they talk. Sometimes my face also changes when I'm doing auto writing. And it's hilarious. When I did for the first time, I was scared. I remember I was doing theta healing, where my mama was going through cancer. So I was working with him. Unko cancer tha, I was working with him. And after a month or so, he passed away. Or I was watching TV and I can hear the sound, somebody saying, "Main ja raha hu." And I was scared ki ye kya hua. And then I get a call from my mom and says, "You know what, mama passed away." I said, "I know." She like, "What?"
Suruchi, can I share an incident here?
Please, please.
You spoke of your mama. A couple of months back, I was in Bangalore and my mama was here in Delhi and he was ailing. And we believe that angels are also in the form of entities.
Yeah.
So, I was traveling in the car and to my left, I saw about, we were going in one direction and I saw about hundreds of butterflies hopping like this and flying with me in the direction I was going. I'm getting goosebumps talking about it. And we were supposed to go to my friend's place. We reached there, and an hour later, we learned he was no more. He was actually unwell. So I think that was one way of angels communicating that he's going.
So yeah, so that is what it is. And then it was nice because, and he had a message for his daughter, and that was the only time that I actually learned that time. It was, I'm talking about 10 years back, very recent. So I called my teacher and I'm like, "Ye kya sikha diya mujhe? I really don't know. Why are the entities talking to me? I am not supposed to deal that." So it was hilarious. She said, "Okay, ground yourself and everything." But my mama kept budging me because he had a message that he wanted me to give to my sister and my mommy. And I was like, "I'm not going to give." Unless I didn't pick up the phone, he didn't move. And the moment I gave the message, everything in my world, their world just shifted. So a lot of time, our resistance make them push more, because see, the thing is, for them, they know that you can do their work, so they're pressing you more. It's just because you have the ability, and they know that you have an ability. It is only coming from that space. And Krishna says sometimes movie visuals scare the shit out of us. That's what it is, na? It's like visuals scare us, like, but it's the same thing. It's not a reality. So that's how, when you clear your fear with entities, you can actually very freely communicate them, clear them, and receive them. And receiving doesn't come with condition. Receiving is all receiving, the good and the bad. Any condition placed upon receiving eliminates all receiving, because we have conditioned that I'm only going to receive from this entity and not from this entity. That is not receiving. That is a condition that we put on. And that's the reason you cannot even receive from mega beings, which right now a lot of people are experiencing, because how we are shifting and changing. So a lot of beings have come on planet to contribute, because we on earth are going through a major shift right now. All of us are going through a major shift. So you will see your presence if you do any kind of healing modality or something. You see those presence of what you call angel, beings of light, your teammates, whatever different names they are, spirit guides. You sense their presence more. But somewhere we have a resistance, so we don't receive from them also, because of the fear of entity, because of your point of view, what you will receive from entity and what you will not receive from entity. And sometimes they require your help also to clear them, because they're stuck in time and place. They're looking for each one of us to contribute them, to release them from that stickness, so that they can choose something different. So receiving is that. So receiving doesn't come with a condition, but when you put condition to receiving, that's where we lose receiving.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, please.
Would receiving from a person be blocked because you're also receiving? Your receiving is blocked from an entity, but you don't know which one is blocking whom. So what would make you be able to get clarity with that?
So it's simple. When you're receiving from a person, is blocked because if you have a point of view, you will not receive from this kind of a person. Okay, when they die, they also had the same personality. And if that's supposed to be your father with the same personality, can you receive from your father then?
So very nice. It's really great clarity. Thank you.
Yeah. So this is it. I will just quickly do one quick exercise with all of you. Let's see whatever your receiving is. And let's end with a receiving thing. And if you have any question, comments, please ask. Otherwise, the whole idea of this Zoom was to get you guys to present, is like, in case you are not receiving, in case you have a fear, in case there are beings who want to contribute to your business, want to contribute to your property, to your relationship, but because of your points of views of what an entity is, your fear or underlining point of view, that when I don't have to do anything with them, I don't want to know anything about it. These comes in a way for you to communicate, clear, or receive them. And that is the distance that we keep from the spirit world. It is just a parallel world, just like our earth. And there's so many beautiful fairies, nature spirits, beings of, there's so many beautiful, your teammates, everybody's there to communicate, contribute to your life. So it is just that key, how much resistance you have for not receiving from entities. So all the resistance you have, which doesn't allow you to receive from entities, can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times of Godzillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Anybody's life changed after doing an entity class? If anybody would like to say something. Did it make you easier? Did it make you more money? Did it make more peace? Sometimes health issues also vanish. Huh? It's amazing. Like I have a client who was 26 years home ridden, and she worked, she learned the tool, she did the class, and now she can travel. She like for 20 years, 26 years, I had people thought I'm mad. And I was so much on medication. And a whole health issue just disappeared. Just disappeared. So it does magic. It does wonders in very different way.
It changes everything. But there are so many people on this call who I've never interacted with. I was on the same class with the same lady who you just spoke about. And yes, from money to relationships to my body, there has been such a big shift to each entity, class, Zoom call, book reading, anything which has taken place. That it's just incredible. It's incredible. There's still steps where I sense, like I asked you the question right now. So there's still spaces which I go into a blank at times. I love asking questions. I love these Zoom calls that you have where it pops up. So thank you.
Thank you. Anything else? Anybody? किसी का कोई question? किसी को कोई queries about entities? Anything? No.
Hello.
Yeah, Pallavi.
Yeah, I can see entities,
Yeah.
but not with open eyes. When I close my eyes, I can see the entities.
Okay.
Right from the childhood, I have that capacity.
Yeah.
So I was in one entities class and I learned to do entity clearing. So whenever I do, I call up them that who are ready to leave now, or willing to leave now, please come up. And when I start doing entity clearing, many times I observed that within seconds I forget what I am doing.
So
right
are
now.
you forgetting, or are
I know
you
that it's
doing so
there, that what I am receiving, but I don't know how to take with, how to continue that. Immediately I get. Then it will take few seconds for me to come back. Okay, I was doing this. Then I'll start doing, who were you before that? Then again in seconds I'll forget that. Then again I'll
Okay,
like
Pallavi,
I will get frustration.
okay.
Like if
I
you
just
don't want to get
ask one
cleared.
thing. Pallavi, just wanted to ask one thing. Have you done the talk to the entity beginning?
Yes.
You have done beginning. So do you know drug induced entities?
Pardon me.
When if you've
Say
done
again.
the beginning, if you've done the beginning where we spoke about different types of entity, so you must read again the drug induced entities. The entities who are on drugs and alcohol.
Okay.
Okay. And then when you're clearing, ask, am I clearing entities with who are on drugs?
Okay.
Because what happens is when you're clearing entities on drug, they keep forgetting, and you're in their space, you're perceiving their emotion, and then you're thinking it is yours, and you're making yourself wrong. Oh my God, every time I go and I forget. So are you just clearing their space and aware of what they are going through? Like how we have emotions, entities also have emotions. They also, you can perceive their emotions, their sadness, their anger, their frustrations. So just ask, am I perceiving all the feelings that entity is going through? Great. So that you do, so then you will not have to make yourself wrong. You're not forgetting, you're just clearing. You know that they are clearing it out from their system.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Ruchi, could I
But
just
it's
ask you
taking
something?
a lot of. Hello.
Yeah.
Because this clearing is taking a lot.
It's a muscle.
Of long time for me to do this.
Give yourself 10 minutes every day. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
And they say my business opens for 10 minutes. If I take 2 clients, good. If I take 10 clients, good. If I take 10 lakh clients in that 10 minutes, good. And I'm shutting my business. Come again tomorrow at this time. Okay. You don't have to open your office all the time for everyone. We have visiting hours. So you have your visiting hours when you're doing with entity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah, Shruti.
So can we, as this question just came up, can we, while we are doing the clearing, does it assist to people in our home also? If we have kids in our home or our parents, our spouse, whatever.
See, the thing is, if you are in a park and everybody's making noise, So everybody is affected who's studying there, who is reading. So when you have entities, encounters in your house or everywhere, when you're clearing them, it affects the health, it affects the mood of everybody in the house too, because you've cleared those energies in and around your surface. So it is effect which will, because the thing is they are coming to pressurize you, they are there, so their thoughts, feelings, like how she perceived that she's getting lost, she feels that she's getting frustrated. Similarly, our family can also perceive whether they know whether it's entity or not, right? It takes a toll on our well-being also. So when you clear that space, when you clear everything, it's a good effect for everybody who stay in that house. Staying in a dirty house, staying in the clear house, it works on the mental effect for everybody.
Thanks, Atan.
Thank you. And kids see, like when we were kids, we all had the ability to see, but because we heard so much thing, we forget. So kids have the ability. You also empower them and you tell them it's okay to see and it's okay not to be scared of. So, and some entities specifically come for you and they only want to talk to you because they have message just for you or they have contribution just for you. And they can't give it to somebody else. So they have to hold on, maybe this lifetime or other lifetime, unless you are ready to receive from them. So that's also there. So at least their wait is over if you can receive. Great. Any question? Otherwise, I will just do. So do you really want to feel entities around? I don't know what you want to do. Yeah,
Receive.
Krishna, you have something?
Clear.
Yes. Is it me?
Your hands up. You want to say something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is entities, but there are also demons, right? So is it the same thing?
No, demons are different. Demons are very dense. Entities are very different. So when we do talk to the entity, we do a demon clearing separately because demons are different. Demons thrive when you are judging yourself. That's the food for demon to become strong.
Right.
So that is different. Entities presence is very different. And it's like demons job is to control you, to limit you, to judge you. Okay, that's a job of a demon. Entities are mostly hanging around because they're lost in time. They don't know, they want to be cleared. Sometimes they have some message. And some entities, because they were good with business, some entities who were good with money, there's some entities good with relationship. So those entities are also there as a resource, as a reference. If you want to invite them, you can use them for your creation.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Great. So guys, what do you want to do with entities? Do you want to feel entity? Because I don't want that you don't get sleep in the night and you say, oh my God, I felt entities, now I'm not getting sleep. So are you ready to just, can we ask only one or two contributive entities to just come and touch you, if that's okay? Are you open to that?
Yes.
Great. So let's all of us just put our barriers down. Just barriers down, barriers down. Keep saying barriers down, barriers down, barriers down, barriers down, barriers down, barriers down, barriers down. And let's make a command. All those entities who are not a contribution here, please move, leave your space, leave this place now. And we're just asking the entities, just one or two entities, who is a contribution to you right now, to come closer to you, to your body, to make their presence known to you. Rest all the entities can leave this space now. Allow them, put your barriers, allow them whichever way they would like to communicate or make their presence known to you. If they would like to tickle you, if they would like to touch you, they allow them to come a little closer to you. Trust me, allow it, I will take care of it. If it's not leaving, I'll make them leave. Okay. Over. I don't want too much because I really don't know how many people can. I don't want to take any chances. So, did anybody experience anything, or somebody didn't experience anything?
I felt sensation in my hands.
Okay. Anybody else would like to share what they felt, did?
I
Somebody
didn't,
who
I
has
didn't
never
feel
done
anything.
any entity work or anything, did you experience anything?
I have
Shrista said
not
didn't feel
felt
anything.
anything.
Okay.
I felt a itchy sensation, like suddenly, yeah.
So Alinka says, I felt a pinch, a little pain, tingling in the head, yawning. Yes, these are all different signs of entity. And if you didn't feel anything, Shobha, truth, are your barriers up? So my suggestion is just push the barriers down, and you can actually literally, if you see barriers up or not, just perceive it with your hand. If you feel, just push, 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 then down, 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 down. You'll feel space. And if you're going into your head, that means you have a barrier. So you have to just keep pushing those barriers. And it's okay. I'm just saying, it's we just did without any class, without anything. Like when we have that intention that I would like to receive, so it's a very simple barriers down exercise which allows you to at least receive them also. Just receive them in the sense they just made their presence known. That's it. So great. An airport got disconnected when you were talking. Is that also a sign? Yes, because they are very good with electricals. So they will do that. So now, can I have a permission to clear all the entities that you have invited in your space? Can I just let them go now, please? Yeah. Thank you, all the entities, truth, who are you, truth before that, 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 truth in the future, pick up a back like leave now, truth, what's your job before that, 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 job in the future, pick up a back like leave now, right wrong, but who are you all, truth, who are you all before that, 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 truth, who will be in the future, pick up a back like leave now, right wrong, good, bad, hot, pop, online, shop, all the magnetic imprinting, destroying, all right wrong, good, bad, okay, how's the space, guys?
Suruchi, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Why do you say truth before that? What does it mean?
So that entities can't lie to me. And they can't lie to you.
Okay, thank you.
Basically, that's a particular clearing we will do with Trickster and Praxter. You learn in the entity class. But I like to put truth any which ways because I don't want anybody to lie because we are biggest liar. All of us lie, right? So when we die, what we'll do? We'll lie. That is our habit. So I don't want them to lie.
Thank you.
Thank you. So yeah, somebody's lighter. So this is what it is. It's just that it releases everything, freedom. So this is what my whole idea with this Zoom was to contribute to you guys, whichever way, if they are trying to communicate to you, they require your help to clear them, or they are there to for you to receive them or talk to them, whatever it is. Don't let your point of view come in your way. So there are different areas we deal in and things like that. And if you would like to have fun, I have classes coming up. Talk to the entity intro class, money with entity, things like that, different specialty classes. It is not a sales call. If you would like to hop on, don't like, no problem. I will any which ways meet someone, some of you and some of you sometimes some other day. But just don't hold yourself with the fear of entity. And right now, specifically, there are so many beautiful beings here to contribute. I'm saying it again and again because every day I experience so many beautiful beings each day. So that's the whole idea. I got a shooting pain in my tummy. Krishna Lila, you have to just tell the entity to stay 4 feet away from you. It's your body gives the presence when they can sense something. Our body gives a signal.
After, hello.
Yeah.
After you clear them, I feel some, pain in my left shoulder. And while you were doing that clearing statement,
Yeah.
I feel some tingling sensation.
So, okay. Were they locked into your body, Truth, Purva?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, you can't say I don't know. Light and heavy tool. Okay, let's go here. Were they in your body? Did you presence in your body? So when I cleared, like how it is when somebody's releasing, you feel that inch and they're going out of your system. Did somebody?
No, it's not like that. It's not like that. It was just a round. I mean, some energy was there which was going.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's not that. It's some energy which is like stuck and just moves out.
Okay, but still I'm feeling that hand pain. I mean, shoulder pain.
Is it yours? Truth, is it yours?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, fine. Now say no.
No.
Now which one is lighter? Yes or no?
Yes, was lighter.
Okay. So Truth, what information is your body giving to you?
I mean, I'm tired, something.
Body's tired?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, it's tired. Yeah, of course.
Okay, body's tired. Does the body want rest? Are you perceiving tiredness?
I'm perceiving that yawning kind of, I mean,
when we yawn, when we yawn, it's not tiredness. Sometimes when we are releasing the unconsciousness, anti-consciousness, when we are releasing, we yawn a lot.
Okay.
So it's maybe something shifting around in your space. If there were entity who got cleared, who was around in your space, your body gives you information by yawning. Body gives you information like twitching, where things are shifting and changing.
Okay.
Yeah. So I feel entities many years, but I'm a little afraid of them because I feel pain in body. It's unpleasant. Yes, Alanka, you can have ease with entities once you let go the fear, then communication, the dialogue becomes easier. Because when people come too close, we can always tell them to back off and stand off. Because when we're not scared, my communication becomes much easier with them. And because we are so many people in the group, so if you're sensing anything, my first question is ask, is it mine or someone else? Am I perceiving? Because we perceive, right? Our body gives us information. So don't buy things as yours, just ask, is it mine or someone else? And if it's someone else, just return it to the sender. So please, who does this belong to? Yeah. So great. Shruti, anybody, any question? Did I miss out or is there anything? Anybody would, so.
Kalpana, yeah.
Yeah, Kalpana.
Hi, Suruchi.
Hi.
Yeah, I was just feeling, I didn't feel like opening my eyes. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't feel like opening my eyes.
Eyes.
I told you.
I didn't. Okay. Did anybody get what I didn't literally get. It was not, I didn't, I just heard I was not able to open my eyes and then your voice get cut, Kalpana.
I said, I didn't feel like opening my eyes up. After clearing also, I didn't feel like opening my eyes. Just wanted to keep the eyes closed only.
Okay, no problem. Can you open your eyes now? Okay, Kalpana is gone. I don't know. Is she? So Kalpana, if you can hear me, the question is how much resistance we have from receiving, seeing entities that we don't want, like a lot of time we don't want to open eyes, we don't want to see something unknown. Because we have a fear of unknown, and entities come in a blanket of something which is unknown to us. Those energies unknown. So it's a resistance of unknown which doesn't allow us to even receive, see. So we are like shut. So it's just that. So Dulari, बहुत बार unknown चीजों के कारण हमारी resistance होती है unknown, जो हमें पता नहीं होता. Entities वो चीज होती है जो unknown होती है, तो हम वो energy से resist करते हैं. वो चीज को हम रिसीव नहीं करते क्योंकि वो हमें पता ही नहीं है, वो उनकी वर्ल्ड के बारे में नहीं पता, खाली कहानियां सुनी है। उस कहानियों के कारण हमारी रेजिस्टेंस है, जो हम उनसे ना बात कर सकते हैं, ना रिसीव कर सकते हैं, ना एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हैं। हमने यहाँ पे खाली एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था, कुछ नहीं किया। हमने एक या दो को बुलाया था, एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था कि भाई अगर वो हमारे पास में आते तो हमें हमारी बॉडी को कैसा लगता है, बस इतना सा किया था। बट हमारी डीप डाउन कंडीशनिंग और पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के कारण जो चीज हमें नहीं पता, वहां नहीं जाना चाहिए, वो हमें ब्लॉक कर देती है। तो कभी कभी हम अपनी आंखें भी नहीं खोलते और कान कुछ सुनते नहीं है, एकदम नॉर्मल हो जाता है, जो बहुत नॉर्मल है। तो अगर आपको डर लगता है, अगर आपको लगता है आपकी कैपेसिटी है लेकिन आपको नहीं पता कि वो कैपेसिटी को कैसे यूटिलाइज करें, if you're scared of entity, if you have capacity with entity, I invite you, please do this talk to the entity course with anybody, whoever calls out. If you have a capacity with entity, if you have fear with entity, because if you have a fear, there's a capacity lying inside. That's the reason you have a fear. I used to laugh at people when people said, but I was so fearful of entities, and actually now I'm realizing what capacity do I have that I was fearful of that. So when you have a fear of something, ask what capacity do I have? And if you have a capacity and you don't know what to do with it, use these tools. These are very simple, and it will actually contribute to something greater. वो आपकी लाइफ में बहुत contribute करेगा, चाहे आज करो, चाहे कल करो, 6 साल बाद करो, irrespective. It's like people introduce fear. I am introducing you कि there's a possibility with entities. So choose when you feel like. So I don't feel anything about entities. Great if you don't feel about entities, but would you like to receive contribution from entities? My question. I don't know your name because it says dash to everyone. So it is just that. Just ask, okay, would I like to receive? Oh, okay, great. How amazing it is. You're in the neutral gear. So you can put the gear of the car any which ways where you would like to go, whether reverse or forward.
Thank you so much, Suruchi, for so much information. And again, anyone who is looking to join in, we have amazing Talk to the Entities intro coming up tomorrow with Suruchi. And you can connect with me, Mansi, Suruchi, anyone. And yeah, wonder how much more can you, it's like opening your receiving. So thank you, everyone. Thank you,
Thank you so
Suruchi,
much, everyone, for joining, because it is really nice for all of you to come and join. So thank you so much for joining, taking that time out and coming here.
Thank you so much, Suruchi, for such a wonderful call and making it so simplified so people can also receive it. And yes, what is beyond that, what we don't know, and if we could allow ourselves to know, it will open so much, and that is so true. So not everything is like comfortable, but when you go ahead and really know about it, you think it is so simpler. And I think Talk to Entity classes, they've made it so simpler that we can know so much more about them, and it makes you feel so light. Like it's like a child play. Nobody will ever thought ki how can somebody deal with entities so easily. And I think Talk to Entity classes and the specialty class have shown that to us, that it can be so simpler. So
I never thought, believe me, anything to be simpler, but yes. So what beyond this reality is possible for you guys with entities that you do not think is possible. If you allow the possibility, it would actualize a reality beyond this reality with total ease. Everything that doesn't allow you to perceive, know, be, receive, and have that as your reality, will you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times of Godzillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. And with this clearing, I say bye-bye. I'm sorry, I have to rush to another call. So thank you so much. I love chatting, love talking.
So much.
And
Thank
I
you,
hope
everyone.
I managed your English and Hindi. I'm so sorry in case if I missed out. Thanks.
Thank you.
Stop.